Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on gold. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. There hasn't been any catalyst this week for the rally in gold, although we had a key technical breakout which might have increased the bullish momentum. The lack of bearish catalysts, though, is helping to keep the bid going as the market has finished to reprice the aggressive rate cuts expectations that weighed on gold in the past weeks as it contributed to lift real yields. In fact, in the bigger picture, gold remains in a bullish trend as real yields will likely continue to fall amid the Fed's easing cycle. The pullbacks will likely be triggered by repricing in rate cuts, but unless the Fed's reaction function changes, the uptrend should remain intact. One key event which could trigger a strong sell in gold is the upcoming US election. In fact, a Trump victory will likely raise real yields on higher growth and less rate cuts expectations. So definitely mark that on the calendar. Now on the daily chart, we can see that gold bounced near this key trend line and is now approaching the all-time high around the 2685 level. The buyers will want to see the price breaking higher to increase the bullish bets into new highs, while the sellers will likely step in around the all-time high to position for a pullback into the trend line. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we had some pretty choppy price action around the counter trend line, but eventually the buyers prevailed. We now have another minor upward trend line defining the current bullish momentum. If we were to get a pullback, the buyers will likely lean on this trend line to position for new highs, while the sellers will look for a break lower to target a drop into the major trend line. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that we have another minor upward trend line defining the bullish momentum on this time frame. The buyers will likely keep on leaning on the trend line for more upside, while the sellers will look for a break lower to target new lows. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, tomorrow we have the US retail sales and US jobless claims data.